Look, there's even icicles on the wheel. No way. Bro, I just fucking fell. Oh my god, it's so cold. Wow. Oh my god, it's so cold. It never snows here, man. This is cool though. I was even spinning pulling up, man. Let's have some fun in the snow. What'd you drop? What up, bro? What a surprise this is, huh? Sorry. Snowing in Texas, dude? Yeah, damn, we have so much traction. Oh shit, the roads are dirty. They're disgusting. Why are we doing this?
I know, I'm like, why are we doing this?
Oh. This is horrible. It's a winter wonderland out here. Look at all that snow, dude. Let's go build a snowman or something. We only see snow like once a year.
Yeah. If that.
I know. This is nice, dude. What a day. Traction control said, nah, bro. We need to find a spot to go and let it rip. Is he coming over here? Did he go?
No, he can go.
Oh, okay, bet. I got the traction control off. Fail! Hello, I got you. Did you see the guy? Hello. Alright, there we go. Did you see the guy?
He's like, yeah.
Bet, brother, bet. Oh, shit. I don't want to hit that fucking pole. We'll go again. We'll go again.
Chill, dog. That shit's
I know. That'd be fucking. That'd be so.
Yeah.
One more time.
One last time.
We'll do a little one. Oh, jeez.
Good shit, bro.
Alright, so Matt left me out here. We're walking back. Matt's supposed to come back apparently. So now we have to wait.
Oh, this shit's fucking icy, dog. It's cold. Oh, and this one has to wait at the light. I'm dead, bro. I'm fucking dead. Oh, fuck.
This is the life of a call me Matt cameraman. You just gotta be fucking ready for anything, honestly.
You're a real one, bro. Thanks. Thanks for being out there. It's fucking cold out there. Everybody's just looking at you all weird. Why is this weirdo out there in the snow? You cold or what? Pretty cold out here, man. See the damages? Nice and dirty. Thank you, Texas. Look, there's even icicles on the wheel. No way. Bro! I just fucking fell. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. It's pretty cold right now, but it just started snowing randomly, so I thought I'd bust out the camera and record something for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.